Yes, so now come to question 32, exercise 1, page 6, indefinite integration mathematics. So if you observe, this is a very beautiful problem on partial fractions. So whenever polynomials are given in numerator, denominator, you have to see the degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 4. Cube here, x is here, degree of denominator is 4. So it is a proper fraction. In proper fraction, you have to use the partial fractions. So here there is no quadratic. See, x cube, this is the 3 times repeated. Linear factor 3 times repeated. It is not a quadratic. So what is the method here? X cube partial fractions upon x into x minus 1 cube is equal to a upon x linear factor plus b upon x minus 1 plus c upon x minus 1 square plus d upon x minus 1 cube. So take LCM, x cube plus 1 is equal to a x minus 1 cube plus bx into x minus 1 square plus cx into x minus 1 plus dx. Now, by this is the identity, you can put any value of x depending on the requirement. So first of all, I will put here x is equal to 0. So 1 is equal to a, this is minus 1 cube, so minus a, other terms will be 0. So this implies a is equal to minus 1. Second, I can put x is equal to 1 here. If I put x equal to 1, this will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, 0, 0, d. So this gives d is equal to 2. Next, I can compare coefficients. Coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x cube is how much here? 1. Here x cube will come, so a, and here also this x square into x cube will be there plus b. So this implies b is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 plus b. So b is equal to 2. Now you can compare the x, etc. Anything we can do, but to calculate the c, what we can do here, you can put x equal to minus 1. So that this side will be 0, x equal to 2, any number. So suppose I put in third option, fourth option, I am putting x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, 0 is equal to minus 1, minus 2. So minus 8a, minus 1, this is minus b, minus 1, minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 4b, minus 1, this is minus, so minus 1, minus 2, plus 2c, minus d is equal to 0. So ABD I know, C I can calculate. So 2c is equal to 8a. 8a is minus 1. So minus 8 plus 4b plus 8 plus d, 2. So 2 will cancel. So c is equal to 1. So now put these values of these integrals here in this integral constants. So this expression, remember, now this expression, what is this expression is given, this I have to write in this terms, a upon b upon c upon. So this I is equal to a integration of 1 upon x plus b integration of 1 upon x minus 1 plus c integration of 1 upon x minus 1 whole square plus d integration of 1 upon x minus 1 cube. All are very easily integrable functions. You can easily integrate. For example, this is a log x plus b log of x minus 1 minus integration minus 2 raised to power plus 1 upon minus 2 raised to power plus 1. So it will be minus c upon x minus 1. This will be minus 3 plus 2. So minus d. And minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 upon x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So x minus 1 whole square. Put the values of a, b, c, d and some constant of integration will come. Put the values of a, b, c, d. So what is a? A is minus 1. So minus log x mod you can keep here plus b. B is how much? 2. So plus 2 log of x minus 1 minus c. C is how much? 1. So 1 upon x minus 1 minus d. D is 2. So 4 upon x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this 1 upon 2 will come here. So minus 2 raised to power n plus 1 upon. So this will become minus d is 2. 2 will cancel. This will cancel with this. So 1 upon x minus 1 whole square plus c. So this must be the answer of this. C or K, anything you can keep, it doesn't matter. So, thank you.